Good. Bring this down, hips down. Good. Good. Letting it all go. Breathing in. Good.
What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button to the channel and make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss any content from the channel. Now let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
Onto the table. Good, okay, looking at your ankles. Good, left shows up short. Go ahead and push your legs out to the side. Push, push, relax. Okay, left is showing up shorter first. I'm going to push down into your sacrum here. Do you have any pain when I push here?
Yes.
Do you have any pain when I push here?
No, just pressure.
If I push here, is the pain under my hand or somewhere else?
Under your hand and then to the front of the hip.
Deep breath in. Good, and out. Good. In. Out. Okay, deep breath in through your nose. Good, and out through your mouth. And just kind of sink. That's good. Fair, but we didn't quite get it. Breath in through your nose, all the way in, far as you can go. Good, and out. Same thing, deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Good, sink in, let your shoulders sink here, good. Your hip's gonna come up. Pain?
A little bit in the front of the hip, right? Maybe it's okay.
Okay, and then we come down like this. Does that increase the pain in the front?
Decrease.
Decreases? This increases?
Just, I can...
2 inches over, 3 inches down, acetabular ridge, tender. Okay, take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. Shoulders relax, just kind of sink in here, good. Lay your back. Okay, breathing in and out. Good, let your shoulders sink. Good, we're going to do one more breath after that one. Again, in and out. Good, bring this down, hips down, good. Lay your back. I'm gonna give me tingles then. Okay, so turn your head to the right. Good. Back to center. Turn your head to the left. Back to center. Again, left ear to your shoulder. Relax. Right ear to shoulder. And bring it back. Okay, so we'll start on the right side here. I'm going to bring your head over to the side. Try to let me do all the work here. You don't have to help. I'm going to bring it over to right here. And then from here, we're going to push in that direction like that, okay? And out. Good. Sinking in. Good. Letting it all go. Oh. That's perfect. Okay, now one on the left side here. Same thing. You're breathing. 7. Let your shoulders just sink in. Good. Really nice. Digestive organ release. You excited for this or what?
I do it to myself all the time.
You do? You do the
loud.
ileocecal valve?
Yeah, it's very loud.
Okay. Breathing in. And out. Deep breath into your belly. Okay, deep breath in, deep belly breath. And out. Deep belly breath in. Again, deep belly breath. Push my hands up. Out.
Yeah, what'd you call it? The ring?
dinger.
Yeah. Do you think a layer?
It's just stress, I think.
Okay, lift up your head. Down. But we don't have stress, so you're really under stress right now. Why is your body perceiving stress? It's not just everything is important, everything's connected. Let me see your hands here. Let's pull your arms out like this. Alright, so you're breathing out. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this around your cervical spine to support your neck. You're doing really good right now. Take a deep breath in. Again, out. Deep breath in, quick, fast, in, out. Good, again, in, fast. All the way in, all the way out, all the way in, all the way in, all the way out, all the way out, all the way out. Good, do it again, in. Good.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. That was amazing.
Yeah. Good, down like this. Now, tuck your head in, look straight up.
I don't think there's anything left in my spine to crack.
Deep breath in. Out. Deep breath in all the way in, far as you can go. Out. Deep breath in all the way in. Out. Deep breath in all the way in. Out. All the way down. Let your head relaxes and come down. Good, one more. This is dehydration. The ligaments are dehydrated, and so they don't have enough like viscosity to do their job. And I'm going to bring this up. Pain there? Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, now let this relax a little so you can see here.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
More, good. Good.
Mm-hmm.
How does that feel?
Strong.
Good. Push. Beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, like that.
And exhale out. That's good. Good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
I want you to tilt your chin up higher. That's good. And relax a little bit more. Good.
Oh, yeah. Oh, man. Yeah, that was good.
Oh, Mike. Oh, sí que sí.
Good. Good. That was tight.
Ahí sí te
Sí, sí me dolió, sentí que sí me dolió.
¿Qué sentiste?
Ay, me tronó creo que todo.
¿Te tronó todo?
Yep, drop your head again, drop that shoulder. Beautiful. Oh. Relax. Oh. that one was weird. that one was weird. Oh man, that just felt different from any other pop I've ever had. Relax. Good. Oh, that's stuck. Yeah. There you go. Good.
Oh yeah. That felt good. Felt good, man. It feels real good. I didn't know what to expect, but
Yeah. Good. Let that go.
All the way loose.
Mm-hmm.
Tight but loose, man. Like
Tail out, you're not gonna fall, just relax. Go.
I can breathe a little bit better.
Good here. Good.
That's the thing, I don't know how to relax.
So I just want to see, you can feel that, right? See how it's pulling?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Just stay right there. Don't try to move your neck just yet.
More here.
Bit my jaw on that one though.
Yeah. Got a little bit of both, yeah.
Man, that feel good. It's crazy. No warning that time. No deep breath in.
No.
Let it go. Relax. Nah, that felt good. You've been making a lot of people cry on your videos. Ah, man, that feel good.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.